Hi, I'm Chris from Clarris Earthworks, just cleaning out table drains for the regional council after recent floods. The table drain was full of silt, so we've just dug it out. There's about 400 mil of silt that was blocking the culvert, so when it rained the water was holding on the road. I really love this smaller machine, the smaller unit, because it's quick at loading, you can turn sharp, you're not affecting traffic, you're staying off the road. The beauty of using this machine is that we can dig, cart and spread all with one machine. We don't need 2 or 3. We can take our own levels, it's all just one package. Yeah, we can turn without going on the road. We're staying in between the property boundary and the road, so we're not affecting traffic. It's been really good on fuel, and we've been able to do the whole job in a quarter of a tank. It makes the job very simple, quick and cost effective.